Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Airstat with Perry. So we did a late night flight, middle of the night flight to Southern Pines and then up to Boston and delivering a liver. And so we're getting ready to head back to Columbia. Plans all kind of changed. We were supposed to go to Raleigh, but instead we went and got a little breakfast at a little place nearby and then went to, and then we're leaving. Signature, Boston is my least favorite place to be. I'm sorry. It's so expensive. They got hostage fees that are just outrageous. No good services, no good sleeping chairs, no printer, but they pride themselves on their work. All right, so what are we doing out of here?
All right, we are Pat 7.
Pat 7.
Already got it in there.
Okay.
And
I will catch you on this taxi out.
second taxiway off to the right.
Laurinburg-Maxton. So we stopped. We didn't want to buy any $9.63 gas out of stinking Signature in Boston, so we stopped in beautiful Laurinburg-Maxton, North Carolina. We've been treated excellently by everybody here, plus lunch. Southern hospitality, it's off the charts. You need to drop in and check them out. They're awesome. And it's Hannah, awesome front desk person, and Albert, Kevin, awesome. There you go. Glad to have you all here. Glad to be here. All right.
All right, we'll go ahead and swing back to the FBO. So what type of patch is that?
So we actually got to put our company patch right up here on the patch wall. And so there you go. Brand new, right front and center. Check it out.